Hello students, I hope you are coping up with your studies, doing well, learning well on time. Students, when advised, whatever we are doing in class, regularly keep on revising that, and especially in grammar, you have to go through all the rules which are given in your books so that you can understand them in a better way. And if you face any problem, you can feel free to ask me. You can call me, you can write to me. Now today we are going to start with grammar. The topic which I am going to cover today is articles. Articles, I'm sure you might have learnt or in previous classes also that articles a and the are called articles. Understood? A and the, these are called articles. An article is placed before a noun. Noun, you have done a name of a person, place, animal, thing, that is known as noun. So articles are placed before noun to indicate whether the noun is specific or unspecific. Specific or unspecific means specific or general. In general, you are talking about something, you don't know that, you have not given any reference before, then that would be unspecific. If you know about something, if you have given some reference, that will be specific, when you are sure about. So articles are of two types. Those are indefinite article and definite article. Indefinite, as the name suggests, what do you mean by indefinite and definite? Definite means when you are sure about something, isn't it, class? Suppose your friend is calling you or asking you to come or to attend his birthday party. If you have taken permission from your parents, what will you say? Definitely I'll come. Why would you say definitely? Because you are sure, you have already taken the permission from your parents and you are sure that you will go. So you will say definitely I'll come. Definitely I'll attend your birthday party. But suppose you haven't taken permission, you haven't asked, so what will you say? You could not say definitely, you would not be sure about that, so you will just say that I will see. So that is indefinite situation. That situation will be known as indefinite situation. So same is the case with articles also. When you are so sure about something, you have already talked about something, you are giving reference for the second time, or you know something, means understood na, specific, then you use definite article, and the is called definite article. The is known as definite article. If you are not sure about something, if you have never talked about it before, if it is not specific, if it is, you can say in general you're talking about it, or you can say it is unspecific, then you will use indefinite articles. Either you will use a or you will use an. A and n, as you know, a is used before consonant sounds. I'm not saying letters, consonant sounds. And an is used before consonant, not consonant, an is used before vowel sounds. So once again, a is used before consonant sounds and an is used before vowel sounds. So this is about articles. Go through the article, the chapter in your book, and try to understand. Then I'll explain once again the rules of indefinite articles and definite articles in my next video. Till then, goodbye.